morning and welcome to Friday Assembly. This week we have extra certificates for the amazing reading you're doing at home. But we'll start with nursery. A certificate for Frankie, who has been exceptionally kind and caring towards his friends. Well done, Frankie. And to Oliver for putting on his coats and wellies on his own at home time. Well done, Oliver. In Ash class, a certificate for Olivia for fantastic reading with Mrs. Lake. Well done, Olivia. And to Samuel for brilliant answers in maths during the live lessons. Well done, Samuel. In Hornbeam class, a certificate for Aaron for his amazing wanted poster for the Big Bad Wolf, and to Evie, who has joined us at Leighton Park with virtual learning, and soon you will get to know your friends. And to Log 1, who has also joined us in Willow class, making a great virtual start to learning. And Alex from Willow class, persevering with your spellings. Well done, Alex. In Sycamore, a certificate for Ava for excellent involvement during the live lessons, and for Jay putting 100% in all your work. Well done, Jay. In Beach class, a certificate for Gracie for high standards in all of your work. Well done, Gracie. And for Sean, explaining math problems really clearly to the rest of the class. Well done, Sean. Oak class, a certificate for Angel for excellent effort in all of the work through Google Classroom, and Danielle for persevering with internet issues and giving excellent support to your friends. And we have some extra reading certificates for Shayla for brilliant effort with reading, Kayla, Corey, and one more for Daniel Chris. Well done to all of you. Have another fantastic week. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.